beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Pinky and I make beauty, fashion, fitness and vlog related videos. So if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification just beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And also join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box as always. Let me check my phone first. Okay, in today's video I will be doing my August favorites. Like I have literally got some of the skincare makeup favorites for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first favorite of August month is this Eczema Honey Gentle Face and Body Lotion Stick. It's like this. So I already did the review and literally this product is so moisturizing. I use for every day. So I am using this product since I got this. So the review is on my channel. If you are interested, I will leave it here. So I've done a couple of products review already by this company, Eczema Honey. So it's like this. It has lots of products and like I have used so many times in August, and it says here it glides on easily for convenient, hands-free and instant comfort. Gently apply for a boost of hydration as needed. So it's literally just wow. And I am keeping this product in my fridge, and you can apply all over your body, your hand, your face, like everywhere I can apply. It instantly smoothes out my skin, as you can see. Like I am in love with this product, and literally they are so good. If you are suffering from allergies, these products are really good. And if you are interested to watch my review on this product, it's on my channel. So the second product is this Eczema Honey Skin Smoothing Cream. It looks like this. So I already did the review of this too in the same video. So it is nutrient rich, honest, moisturizing, itch cooling. So I keep this in my refrigerator. So after opening, you should definitely keep in the fridge to give that cooling effect when you apply. So like literally I love this, and my husband is using it too. Little of this product goes a long way, and it's literally very moisturizing. I think if you are having dry skin, this is so good. My skin type is combination, but like I use on my hands, on my legs to moisturize, but you can use this all over your body. Like literally it's so moisturizing, as you can see here, and it smells wow. It has beeswax, and all the products of Eczema Honey, it has beeswax, and it says here direction spot test on unaffected area first before using. So it has pure organic honey, and it has organic almond oil, and it has all organic products. I love it. That's why I'm sharing with you guys. So like these products were given to me by this company Eczema Honey to review, but like after using these products, I am literally in love with this, because like I haven't heard of this product's name before, but like after getting these products, I've tried it, and like I am loving it, and like I'm using it for every day, and like you will love it too if you are suffering from allergies, and this product will really help you. So do try. And the third product is this from the same company, Eczema Honey. I am using this as a face mist. Like it is a face mist, and it is premium witch hazel and aloe spray. So it is gentle, it soothes itchy skin, and it looks like this. And like little of this product goes a long way. Like I have used so much, but like little goes a long way. I use this to prime my face, or just when I don't want to apply moisturizer, I feel like my face is dry, I just spray this on my face. So literally I love it. It says here, spray well, let air dry and repeat. Do this 3 to 4 times per day or as often as desired. Storage in the refrigerator, so it's very cold. All the products are 100% alcohol free. Have you guys seen the review of this dress I'm wearing? I am making like a couple of videos today with the same outfit, makeup. Like I wasn't in a mood of making video today, but like literally this company who sent me this dress wanted me to do the review as soon as possible. That's why like I am doing all these videos today. Okay, the next product is this Steamy Detox Mask Green Tea Blend. This product, I already did the review. It's on my channel. Like you guys must be thinking that I'm saying that I did the review. I did the review on all the products. Like I did the review already. Like these products were sent to me. That's why after trying it, I am in love with these products and I am using it for every day. And like you should definitely exfoliate your face all the time. Use face masks to get a flawless skin. That's what I'm doing. Like I'm trying my best to get a flawless makeup each time. Like our makeup is not flawless all the time. It only depends on how we take care of our skin. What is inside, it will show outside. So like that's why I am taking care of my skin. I moisturize my face all the time. I exfoliate my face all the time, and also I use face masks all the time, and these types of masks really helps me to keep that flawless look when I apply makeup. It naturally gives glow on my skin, and like it also removes blemishes on my skin, and also it lightens up the skin a bit too. So if you have Indian skin and if you want to lighten your skin, you definitely should try this mask. Like literally it is so good, and it has matcha, lemongrass and clay. Like clay masks are really very good, so you should definitely try this mask. It's very good. Like it's too good. Like I use couple of times per week, 2 to 3 times a week, sometimes 2 times a week. This is so good. Like I didn't buy this, but like it was sent to me by this company, Steamy, and like looks like this. It comes with 100 ml of product, and it is 75% organic. It has distilled water, bentonite clay, and kaolin clay, organic. I don't know how to read all these ingredients, but like the review is on my channel. You can watch if you are interested in getting this mask. Like it's literally so good, and like little goes a long way, and like this smells so good. Like look at it. You just apply a thin layer of this mask. It dries so quickly. In like less than 10 minutes it dries, and it tightens your skin, and like you will love it. I am definitely recommending this to you guys, that you should definitely try this Steamy Detox mask. It is absolutely amazing. Okay, moving on. The next product is this Adele Lash Glue. I tell you guys, since I got this Lash Glue, I love it so much. In the month of August, I have been using this a lot. That's why I am sharing this. Is Adele for Strip Lashes Dark Adhesive. This is dark one, and like it is not that dark. It is that grayish kind of shade, and like it is literally so good. It sticks my lashes so well, and like it dries quickly too, so it's very easy to apply your falsies, and like I love it so much. I have used this one on these lashes today, but this lash is by Huda Beauty. It comes with lots of products, and literally it is so good. It looks like this. I know most of you guys have already tried this lash glue. Like you guys know what I am saying. Like it is so good. I love it. So, and price wise it is not that expensive too. And the next product is, of course, this. Like, it's almost finished because I have been using a lot, and like I don't know, but like I wanted to share this with you guys today just because like I am loving it. So I thought, okay, I'm going to let you guys know about this product. It's a drugstore setting spray. It's by Maybelline, and it's their Master Fix by Face Studio Wear Boosting Setting Spray, and it locks in makeup, long lasting finish, and it is oil free too. So literally it is so good. Do try. It's a drugstore product by Maybelline. Like, it's almost finished. I have to get another one. Okay, the next product is like this mascara, which like I got in my Bella box, but I love it. Bella box is a monthly subscription box we get here in Australia. So it is like this. It's Manna Kadar's mascara in the shade Jet Black. It's so good. Like, oh my gosh, I'm wearing it at the moment. Like, it's so good. It's very black, and like literally I am in love with this. Like, I'm trying it for the first time, and like I love it so much, and it's so good. Manna Kadar's products are literally very good too, and we always get Manna Kadar's products in that monthly subscription box. Okay, the next product is this Makeup Revolution's Vivid Baked Bronzer. Literally, this product is just so good. I'm wearing it at the moment. Like, oh my gosh, it's so good. And like, it gives instantly that bronzy look. You can apply a little bit of this product, and you can apply more of this product as much as you want. Like, this is so good and so affordable too. I am loving Makeup Revolution's products. They are so good and so affordable. Like, the next product, I am in love with this. Like, literally, this is Makeup Revolution's I Love Angel Heart palette. Like, you guys must have seen me using in my tutorial video. Like, this is so good. It has such good shades, and also the pigmentation of each shade is just wow. I love it. Like, it comes like this. Altogether it has 12 shades, and it has a magnet kind of thing here which clips open like this. Clips here. Look at it. Like, all these shades are literally so good. If you guys haven't got this palette, I tell you guys to get one. You will fall in love with this. Like, literally it is so beautiful. Like, all these shades are so beautiful. It has shimmer. Like, this shade I have tried. This one I have tried. This one I've tried, this one I've tried, this one I've tried. Like, literally they are so good. As you can see, I have used so much of this product. This is just wow. I love it. This is some kind of that peach shade, and like literally the pigmentation of these products are so good, as you can see. Wow, just look. And like, this is one of my favorite kind of shades. Okay, the next product is this gloss by Floss. It's my new favorite lip gloss by Floss. I am in love with this. I got this in my monthly subscription box, Bella box, and this is in shade LHR. And like, this is just wow, it looks like this. Look at the color. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this color. It's so beautiful. This is literally so beautiful. I love it. You can see on my lips. I don't know where you can get this Floss, but I think you can get this from their website, and they have Instagram too, Floss, by the name of Floss, I think. It's that nude shade. I think it's nude shade. It is nude, but it says LHR. This is the color of this lip gloss. Okay, this is it. Like literally, it's not too much, but like I am in love with these products. That's why I thought of sharing with you guys and recommending you guys to try. But if you are not interested, you can just ignore. I love it. That's why I am telling you guys all about these products. And like you guys are asking me how my makeup looks this flawless, that's why I tell you guys about my favorites. Like I am literally loving the skincare by Eczema Honey. I will definitely recommend these Eczema Honey products to you guys. If you are suffering from allergies, these products are literally so good. This video is not sponsored at all, but that Eczema Honey video which I did review was sponsored, but this is not sponsored. This is all my own thoughts. Whatever I am telling you guys about these products, I'm loving it. That's why I'm telling you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.